What's going on, crypto warriors? Quote of the week. 20 years from now, you'll be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. Mark Twain. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this double stack bacon cheeseburger, the Bandit Project. The Bandit Project is an inaugural gang of 3,000 NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain. Each NFT is formed at random and chosen for their unique style. Bandit token holders can make passive income by minting NFTs, providing liquidity, and getting revenue shares from all project transactions. Remember that in DeFi City, crypto is king. There are many ways to get and spend crypto, but heists are the best way to make loads of money. Now, you guys may have heard about this project and been on the fence about it. Just know that their pre-sale is sold out. There's no more tokens for this pre-sale. Their public sale is happening on the 11th of August. They have a Twitter following of 2,596 followers, and they have a following on Telegram, 510 members. And so the pre-sale is sold out. Can't get any more until the public sale on August 11th. There's a countdown timer on their website. 11 days, 8 hours, 46 minutes, 3 seconds, so on and so forth. So, you'll have to wait till this countdown timer ends to get in on the public sale. You can come to the website. You can go through the about, creations, how it works, so on and so forth. You can read the information up here. They have a 22-page storybook of about the project that you can just go through and you can read. You can just scroll through this thing and read it. I'm not going to do it today because we have plenty of time to dissect and bisect this thing. And then the frequently asked questions. Can I take out my initial investment? No. Upon minting or depositing into an NFT, your principal is permanently locked and cannot be withdrawn. Investors can get a return on their investment and potentially profit from the daily interest their NFTs generate. So it's like the other ROI dapp platforms that you have seen with the similar investment strategy, where whatever you put in, it's pretty much going to you'll be able to get your rewards based off of the yield and not be able to get off your initial investment out of it. Can I sell my NFT? Yes, after the collection of 3,000 NFTs has been sold out, more information will be released on which available markets you can list your NFTs for resale. You can sell it for the full amount you invested and cash out. The daily ROI of your NFT generates your NFT generates will be passed along to the buyer. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever heard of that before. Maybe there's some platforms you guys know that are doing that, but I haven't ever heard of an NFT that has that's generating basically a passive income, a passive amount of tokens or whatever it is that you can pass to another person. What is the maximum amount of NFT I can receive? You can deposit up to 4,109 Bandit tokens into an existing NFT. The maximum payout per NFT is 15,000 Bandit tokens. That's pretty cool. Why does this project collect taxes on every transaction? That's kind of probably self-explanatory, but they say the project is able to expand, continue operating, and provide long-term passive revenue thanks to these taxes and fees. You're not going to get around taxes and fees in crypto, at least not right now. What will I earn by staking in the bank heist? To participate, investors can choose to time lock their Bandit BNB LP tokens for 30, 90, 180 or 365 days. A percentage of all activities that bring in money will be sent to the bank and shared with all the people who have a stake in it based on their share of the pool. The rewards will be given out in BNB, BUSD, and Bandit. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So I wonder if they're going to divide up whatever reward you're going to get by threes and just give it to you like based on the percentage, like 33, 33, 33, or whatever it equals up to 100%, or if they're going to just decide on how you're going to get them, but it's random, today you get BNB rewards, the next day you get BUSD, and the third day you get Bandit. I don't know how they're gonna do it, but they got video reviews here. Crypto Mischief has given a review. I think this is Crypto Lightsaber. He's given a review, so on and so forth. So hey, that's pretty much the summary of the Bandit Project. Look for upcoming videos on this project. I'm going to do some upcoming videos on this, as they get closer to their public release date. If you like this video, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you think this will be a viable project. Peace.